Here we have a diagram of the heart. It is made up of 4 chambers. You have the right atrium, which is here, and the left atrium, which is here, the 2 chambers at the top. You then have the right ventricle and the left ventricle, which are the 2 chambers at the bottom. You can tell the left side because it has thicker walls. This is how you can tell which side is which in your exam. Look out for the thickness of the walls. The thicker the wall is on the left. We also need to learn about the blood vessels. On top, you have the arteries. They take blood away from the heart. Here is the pulmonary artery on the right side, and here is the aorta on the left side. Now on the sides, we have our veins. We have the vena cava on the right side, and the pulmonary vein on the left side. You also need to learn the route the blood takes through the heart. We'll start at the aorta, but it's a circuit, so we could start anywhere. From here, blood goes to the body. After it has delivered blood around the body, it returns to the heart via the vena cava, now on the right side. From the vena cava, the blood enters into the right atrium. From here, blood drops into the right ventricle. Blood then leaves the heart via the pulmonary artery. Blood leaves the pulmonary artery to the lungs. Here it collects oxygen and returns to the heart via the pulmonary vein. From the pulmonary vein, it goes into the left atrium. And it then drops into the left ventricle. It then leaves the heart through the aorta. It then repeats and repeats. That is one circuit, one route. You should have realised there are 2 circuits here. One circuit from the heart to the lungs and back to the heart, and the other from the heart to the body back to the heart. This is called a double circulatory system, and it makes the transport of oxygen much more efficient, much quicker. Our resting heart rate is controlled by a group of cells in the right atrium. That's here. They act as a pacemaker. They produce an electrical impulse which spreads through the heart, causing it to contract. An artificial pacemaker is often used to control the heartbeat if the natural pacemaker cells don't work properly, i.e. an irregular heartbeat. It's a device that is implanted under the skin and has a wire going to the heart. It produces an electric current to keep the heart beating regularly. You have now learnt about the structure of the heart, the route the blood takes around the heart, and how the heartbeat is controlled. You will find a summary of this information below. Make sure you test yourself using the quiz on reviseitright.com. Why are we the best revision website out there? Well, because we have it all in one place. Revision notes, summary videos, longer, more detailed videos for topics you're struggling on. Exam question walkthrough videos where qualified teachers take you through the perfect answers to exam questions. Worksheets, quizzes, computer marked exam questions, interactive flashcards, forums, the ability to keep track on where you are using our tick list, and so much more. But that's not all. We run at least 3 live lessons a week, and closer to exam time, this will be more, where you can tune into a qualified teacher teaching lots of different topics each week. The lessons will be interactive, and we go through exam questions and quick quizzes to ensure understanding as you go. We also run drop-in sessions where you can drop in, ask a tutor anything live, get the answer that you need, and leave. These are included in our silver and gold membership. This means that for an extra £10 a month, you can access at least 12 hours of lessons a month. That's under £1 an hour, which is incredibly cheap. Still not convinced? Try us completely free for 7 days and cancel anytime, completely free of charge. We offer this because we're convinced that you'll love us. So try us now.